Hey guys, it's Sandy Marshall with realestatewebsitesetup.com, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create a squeeze page in kvCORE and how to post that squeeze page link into Facebook to start generating leads, and finally how to track those leads as they come into the system so you know which lead sources are working best. We'll get started by clicking on the lead engine on the left hand side, then go over to the IDX squeeze page section and select your domain. And admins and team leaders, be sure to select the right one since leads will be assigned based on the domain you select here. Then we're going to click Start Building. And that opens the multi-property squeeze page builder. You'll see kvCORE also offers a single property squeeze page, seller squeeze page, and market report squeeze page. But the multi-property squeeze page is my favorite. When that multi-property squeeze page link is clicked, it's going to open a page on your kvCORE website and show a list of properties that meet the search criteria you've set. And we're going to set that search criteria here. We'll start with the area, and you can choose a city, county, zip code, or neighborhood for the area. Or you could use geographical areas instead. You can set the listing type. You can choose more than one listing type or leave that blank. You could go ahead and set a style and enter a price range, set the square footage range, add acreage, bedrooms and bathrooms, and select the options you want for the squeeze page. You can select multiple options. So you could say just listed properties with a pool or waterfront homes that were just reduced. But for this example, we'll do newly built. And then we'll go over and add a source. And the source is going to tell kvCORE where that lead came from. So you want to make sure every squeeze page you create has a unique source. And if someone clicks on your squeeze page link and registers on your website, then that source is going to be found on the contact record under the referral source section. So for this squeeze page, we're going to give it a source name of Charlotte New Construction Squeeze Page, and since I know I'm going to post it in Facebook, we're going to go ahead and add that as well. If you were going to use a squeeze page link in a Google pay-per-click ad, you would just use Google instead. And now that we have our source set, we're going to want to add hashtags, and kvCORE uses hashtags to group your leads. So those hashtags can be used to trigger a search alert in the future. And so for this particular squeeze page, we're going to give it the hashtags Charlotte New Construction and $450,000 or less. And next we'll add in the Facebook cover photo, and this is going to tell Facebook what photo to use in the post. And so you'll want to check with your MLS and find out what their rules are for what type of listing images you're allowed to use in Facebook ads. And if you're allowed, I would suggest using listings from the search results. But if you need to use a photo from a listing from your agency, then just select this Use Random Listings from your agency. And then we want to leave the property views allowed before registration at the default of 2. And then we're going to click Generate Link. And that's going to generate a short link and a direct link. And the short link is best for Twitter or text messages. And the direct link is the link we'll want to use for Google pay-per-click ads, and Facebook also likes that direct link best. So let's go ahead and copy that to the clipboard, and we'll head over to Facebook and paste that link into a new post. And you'll see that I have pasted that link into a new post. And so once you see the photo here, you can go ahead and delete this long link, and the image will be clickable. You can go ahead and write something about your post, and when you're ready, click Post. And you'll see that post here. It says New Construction, Single Family and Condos in Charlotte, North Carolina. So we're going to click on this image. You'll see that has opened up a page on my kvCORE website, and it's showing those properties that are new construction in Charlotte up to $450,000. You'll see again that this is the photo that was pulled by Facebook. And so we can go ahead and click on a couple of these properties and view the details. And once we view a couple of the properties, then we will be prompted to go ahead and register to keep browsing. So let's head back over to kvCORE and take a look at the other types of squeeze pages they offer. We'll start with the seller squeeze page, and again, you're going to add a unique source here. So you may do the area seller squeeze page, and then whether you're going to place that ad in Facebook or Google pay-per-click. Then add your hashtags in, set your area. It can be the city, county, or zip code, and then you're going to click Generate Link. And I will show you what that post would look like in Facebook. And this is the image that would post in Facebook with the seller squeeze page. And you'll see it says the average price in Charlotte is $672,000. What's yours worth? So that number is pulled based on stats from your MLS. And let's see what a lead would see if they click on this squeeze page link or this image in a Facebook post. And you'll see that the seller squeeze page uses the sell page of your kvCORE website to capture a seller's address. You'll see that average price in Charlotte is $672,000 again. So once they enter the address, they'll come into your kvCORE as a seller lead. Let's take a look now at the market report squeeze page. So again, you're going to select your area. You can choose city, county, zip code, or neighborhood for the market report. Make a unique source, add in your hashtags, and then generate the link. And we will go over and see what that market report squeeze page post would look like in Facebook. And this is what that market report squeeze page would look like. You can see that it has the area that we specified in the squeeze page. And let's go take a look at what a lead would see if they clicked on this image in your Facebook post. And you'll see this opens a page on your kvCORE website that is prompting them to register to be able to view that market report for the area you specified. And let's take a look at the single property squeeze page. Again, you're going to give it a unique source. You're going to add your hashtags, and the listing ID is going to be the MLS ID for the property. And then I recommend you set the property views allowed before registration to 1 or immediate for a single property squeeze page. And then you're going to generate the link. And this is what a single property squeeze page post would look like in Facebook. It's going to pull the primary image here for the photo, and it is going to display the address. And if someone were to click on that single property squeeze page link, you'll see that they'll be immediately prompted to log in to get full access. I hope you found this video helpful in learning how to create squeeze pages in kvCORE and post those squeeze page links into Facebook to generate leads, and also learning how you can track your lead sources in kvCORE. So if you have any questions, or if you would like for us to build your squeeze pages for you, reach out to us at realestatewebsitesetup.com. We do offer a package where we'll build 75 squeeze pages for you and give you a spreadsheet with those squeeze page links that you can then copy and paste and use in Facebook post or Google pay-per-click ads. If you've liked this video and you want to see more videos like it, then please subscribe.